Hello everyone, I am teacher Emily. Nice to meet you. Today I am going to introduce TutorPage, a tutor management software for individual independent tutors and companies with multiple tutors. It is an all-inclusive website integrated with various tools, and the whole process is super simple and works smoothly. This is an all-in-one website. You can find all functions you need on TutorPage as a private tutor. Let's check them out. You can build your own tutoring website, collect international payments from students, open time slots for students to book your lessons, manage students, monitor and track students' attendance and study progress, and teach online through integrated classroom applications such as Zoom and Classin, and other popular ones. Everything can be done with a few clicks. Let's move on and see how TutorPage works. You can use TutorPage to build a website to display your profile and post your courses. As a private tutor, when you run your own tutoring business, a professional website is very important to show yourself as a trustworthy tutor. You can just fill in some information on the page and build a website like this. This is how a teacher website looks like. This is your website address. The domain name is customized. It could be remembered by your students easily. Where shows your uploaded video, students can watch it.
Hi there, my name is Teacher Amber.
As well as teaching experience, work experience, and education. Where shows your professionalism and credibility. Your own tutor website could be shared with your students so they can book your lessons. Your page also display your courses that you designed and posted. Students can see what courses you're selling, and book lesson is the most important function. If you use the payment function, students can pay based on the price you set here for each class. The price can also be displayed on the page. Let's scroll down. You can see here shows some of your current students' reviews, so others can know you better. And your new potential clients can see them as well. If you ask your current students or others to refer you to their friends, you can just ask them to share your website. Everything about you is in one page. With this website, you build your own personal branding. It is also a landing page of your tutoring business. There is a complete and clear lesson data record on TutorPage. Over here, under Add and Manage Students, you can clearly see the balances of students' lessons, such as how many classes a student had with you, and how many are remaining in their balances. The student can directly book your lessons in the system when there are available unscheduled lessons in his lesson package balance. Tracking data makes the lesson management progress much easier to both student and teacher. You can add more or decrease the number of unscheduled lessons from here. This is super convenient when you manage your students' remaining lessons. Next, you'll see student's name. Click his name. You'll see a complete record of the student's overall lesson package progress and purchase history. You can track in real time when student should renew his lesson package, encourage him to buy more lessons if his balance runs out, and analyze purchase behavior of clients. Students can also review their lesson records and progress as easily as you do. Teachers don't have to check how many classes have been finished with students every day. TutorPage shows the same complete record as a report to students, which helps avoiding misunderstanding or arguing about how many lessons were completed. The records are transparent to both tutor and student. Now let's move on to Calendar. How do you manage your schedule in Calendar? On TutorPage, you can simply open your available time slots on a calendar, and these will be shown to all of you students publicly. To open this time slot, just click here. To close it, just click it again, like this. After you have opened these time slots, your student can log into their student's account and start to book. He will see all the open slots, select and submit bookings. When student done the booking, the system will deduct one lesson from remaining lessons in his lesson package balance. This system can also coordinate the time difference between tutors and students. The time you see in the system is based on the time zone you set here. It shows local time on students' dashboard as well, so you don't need to calculate the time difference anymore. TutorPage helps you calculate and avoid mistakes. TutorPage has a very considerable function. That is, you decide whether your students' new class requests need to be confirmed by you or not. This function helps you to avoid missing unexpected bookings. However, it's up to you to use it or not. When a student books a lesson, you will receive a notification of this new class request and you can choose to accept it or reject it. It means even though you opened this time slot, you might find later you have something else to do and you can't have lessons at that time. You can still choose not to accept it. Just click reject the booking or leave it to expire. The system will remind both you and your student that this booking is rejected, and your student can go back to the system and book a new one. However, if you accept this booking, just click here. And then this lesson will be confirmed as a booked lesson. For those accepted bookings, they will be considered as booked and confirmed lessons. Then you can review them all in the list of upcoming lessons in real time. You are able to upload your teaching materials from here for each upcoming lesson, so that your students can download the uploaded learning materials anytime. You can see this student selects Zoom as the classroom tool. When it's time for the lesson, you can click here to enter classroom. The system will take you to the classroom directly. There we go. We are now in a Zoom classroom. This is how an integrated classroom works. You or your student click enter classroom, then the system will take you to Zoom. This function saves a lot of time because you don't need to create a Zoom classroom manually or share the classroom link with students. By the way, Zoom is just one of the classroom options. More integrated classrooms are coming soon. If the classroom tool is external, then it's not integrated, but TutorPage will remind both you and your student to have lessons through that tool. After finishing the class, you can find it from finished lessons. You decide by yourself if this class is completed or not. For example, if the class was over, but you and your student didn't really attend the class, both of you can report a problem in the system. Then click here to select a type of lesson problem and the option of problem solution you want. For example, if I didn't attend this lesson, I could select from lesson problem, meaning that the teacher didn't attend this lesson. For problem solution, I would like to return this lesson to the student. Then this lesson will be returned to the student by the solution I selected. If you didn't click these two buttons, the lesson status will automatically turn completed 72 hours after the lesson finishing time. Or you can click this icon to mark it as completed, then leave a feedback. Now let's move forward to the lesson feedback function. You can leave a lesson feedback to the student here. Over here is a preset template. Click those tags to add some content. For example, add pronunciation, weakness, any aspects of study performance. Okay, for Jimmy's pronunciation, his pronunciation is very good. For his weaknesses, vocabulary range. This feedback can also be saved as a note to yourself. With this note, you'll understand better what to teach in the next class. Okay, here we go. You can review the feedback you left. Then click the student name. You'll see from first to the last status of this lesson. Alright, now we have finished the introduction of how to use TutorPage as a teacher. As for students' dashboard, it is available in English and Chinese. Other languages are coming soon. I am teacher Emily. In the next video I am going to introduce how TutorPage works for students. See you in my next video.
Bye!